Want to quickly access your favorite digital assistant on your Galaxy S25 Ultra? You can set a default digital assistant app that activates when you long press the side button. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Apps. Tap Apps. Tap Choose Default Apps. Next, tap Digital Assistant app. Tap Digital Assistant app again. Now, choose your preferred assistant from the option available. Once you set your default digital assistant, assuming you have set the long press function in Advanced feature to digital assistant, you can access it anytime with a long press of the side button, making your Galaxy S25 Ultra even smarter and faster for daily tasks. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.